Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the phone and launching the updater. Make sure your Realme has 50% battery or is plugged in, and you are on a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once connected, open Settings and go directly to Software Update or About Phone System Update. Tap Check for updates now. The device will contact servers and list available builds. While it scans, you can back up important files. This first step gets the system ready and locates the one official package you will install. Once the update is listed, tap Download and watch the progress meter. You should verify the package size shown against the updater's estimate so you know the transfer completed fully. If the updater offers an integrity check or verify option, run it. That prevents corrupted installs. Make sure the phone stays powered and on Wi-Fi and avoid switching to airplane mode. When the download reaches 100%, the updater prepares files and may prompt to install. This moves you to the complex install stage. Tap Install and let the phone perform the process. You must not power off or remove power mid-install because that can brick the device. The phone will reboot, apply the update, and optimize apps. This can take several minutes. Once booted, verify the new version in Settings About Phone. If the install fails, clear system cache via recovery or delete the partially downloaded package in Settings Storage and re-download. This fixes most corruption problems and lets you attempt the single official update again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.